What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with Jamesy. Today we're gonna talk about NNDM. You feel me? Breaking new highs, breaking over the 739, just like we talked about yesterday. As you can see, bull flag pop, bull flag now popped in the 745s, 745 high. You feel me? Up a couple $100 on this thing in a couple days. But before I get into the details, please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you haven't already. It's very much appreciated. This is just financial entertainment from your boy here because I love talking about the stock market. I love talking about trading. I love talking about every aspect of this. I am not a financial advisor, but that being said, man, let's just get into it. You feel me? So, again, NNDM, everything was looking beautiful on it, just like we talked about in my previous videos. I was talking about NNDM and the pattern I'm seeing in this company, in the technicals, are bull flags, man. Every time it has a bull flag, whether it's on the intraday, you feel me, or it's on the daily, we're having big pops. So as you can see, bull flag, pop, bull flag, pop. And as you can see even right here, it looks damn near exactly the same. You see a pop, consolidate a little bit, pop. It's exactly what happened here. Pop, consolidate a little bit, now it's popping. You feel me? So my plan with this is the next resistance level is in the $8, $7.90 to $8 range. So my plan with this is to exit depending on how it reacts to this level up here. Because I got that level. If we go back a little bit right here, let's back it up. So as you can see, there's resistance in that level right here. And then we have resistance in this level in the nines. And then we got resistance up here in the 14 area. So, I mean, I want to ultimately play the run up here. But what I plan on doing is just, buying and selling because as you can see in the chart pattern, every time we have a breakout, breaking new highs, we have a nice pullback. So as you can see here, broke, as you can look, like for instance, start of beginning over here, pops from 150 all the way to 320, then pulls back to the twos, pops all the way up to the sixes, then pulls back to the threes, pops up to the fours, then pulls back to the 280s, pops up to the 450s, pulls back to the threes, pops up to the 580s, pulls back to the fours, pops up to the sevens, pulls back to the fives. So it's a continuation pattern of what I'm seeing in the technicals. It's just the way this thing is being played out. So my plan with this is to see how it reacts to this 8 level. Now, if it just blows past the 8, I'm going to, stay into it until it looks a little overextended, and then sell my position and then wait for a pullback. Because like I said, revenues on this company continue to grow. Unfortunately, we ran into this coronavirus, so that kind of put a halt on the 2020 plans. But the company is still looking great. The technology is amazing. They just put out new news about a deal that they just acquired, a contract they just signed. And I'll probably make a video about that and get into that. But the technology's dope, man. These guys are processing 3D printing. They're a 3D printing company with processing chips and computer components. And you feel me? They're cutting the time down to days when most manufacturers take months and weeks to do the process. So this company is completely innovative. I'm starting to think of it as a long-term hold, but again, man, I just want to swing trade this thing, and I plan on be in it as long as I continue to see this gradual climb and the process of it moving in this direction. 748 new high. So I want to see how it reacts to this $8 level, potentially getting out right there and then waiting for a dip. And then when it dips, repurchase my shares up again, and then wait till it pops and breaks and hits this 9 level, and then sell it again, and then wait for the pop. So as long as this trend continues to look the way it is, pop, pull back, now it's popping again. As long as that trend maintains, then that's exactly how I'm gonna play this out until it reaches up to that 14 level. You feel me? So once it reaches up to that 14 level, I'll practically double my money, make about 100% profit on my money. Right now, I'm up, roughly, as you can see over here, over $200 in a couple days. So you feel me? That's already up. You feel me? If I do the math on my position, you feel me? I'm already up roughly, 15% profit right now, which is a great profit to take in 2 days, but that is not the goal. The goal is for it to hit these levels up here, which it's looking like it could potentially hit those levels today. Now we're in the 750s. So it hits these levels today. I plan on exiting, waiting for the pullback. As you see, pop, pullback, pop, pullback, pop. So if it hits that level, I'm going to expect it to pull back. And then once I see it start flattening and bottoming, then that's when I plan on repurchasing my shares back and then wait for that next pop. So just a quick technical analysis on NNDM. You feel me? Breaking new highs. In my last video, I said we'd either be breaking highs today or on Friday. You feel me? And we breaking highs today. You feel me? And that's always a beautiful thing to see when the plan starts coming in motion. You feel me? So a quick update on NNDM. Breaking new fucking highs. Gotta fucking love it. You feel me? And exactly what I'm seeing is these bull flag patterns within this. So you gotta understand that each stock is individual, right? So NNDM, compared to the other ones I'm playing right now, each stock moves. Each stock has its own fucking mindset, basically. It's mass psychology. So you feel me? You could see bull flags in another fucking stock. Doesn't necessarily mean it's gonna move like that. It could very well drop because it can potentially be bearish, as you can see. Break high, then higher low. I mean, a lower high. High up here, and then now it's new highs down here, and it's new highs down here. I mean, I've seen them tank before too. So again, man, it's not just a chart pattern. It's a catalyst from fundamentals to technicals to obviously this is a technology stock. So again, you feel me? Technology is hot right now. You feel me? What players are involved in this? What's the risk reward ratio when you're looking at chart patterns? So my risk was at 550. So that's about an 80 cent risk compared to, almost a $2 gain. So a little more than 2-to-1 risk reward. Really, I'm trying to, like I said, play it out to the 14s. You feel me? That's the area I see it reaching and potentially higher. But again, man, everything is playing out beautifully. All catalysts meet my criteria as far as a purchase. And again, man, that's exactly what's happening. Up a little over $1 a share, about $1.20 a share right now. And I'm gonna play this out until it reaches that 8 level, and then probably sell it at that resistance, like I said, and hopefully it maintaining this trend. So if this particular stock continues to make bull flags, and every time it makes a bull flag it pops, then it's only logical that it's going to continue in that motion. It's going to continue moving the same way. So you feel me? That's exactly what I plan on doing. If it does pop up here, I'm expecting a pullback like you see here. So you see a strong pop, pullback, and that's where I want to get in. So when this one pops and hits these 8, I'm expecting to pull back probably back to the 650 range and then repurchase it right around the 650 range. And then, you feel me? Or maybe even potentially 7. It might just hit the 8 and bottom at 7. I don't know until the chart pattern plays out, but that's exactly the plan. So once it reaches that, level, you feel me? That's when I'm gonna make my decision. But again, NNDM, you feel me? Popping, you feel me? Bull flags popping, baby. Bull flags popping. You feel me? So yeah, man, quick update on NNDM. Just wanted to show y'all exactly how this thing played out. You feel me? Not to say that you feel me, I know what's gonna happen, but again, when everything meets your criteria, when you do all the research and the homework, the odds become in your favor. And as you see here, it's just repeating the pattern. And then I plan on seeing it repeat the pattern again. Not to say it will, but the odds are in my favor that the pattern will continue. because everything about this, from the fundamentals, from the technicals, from all the research I done, is looking very, very bullish. So again, man, NNDM, still bullish on NNDM. Excited to see how far this thing plays out. And again, my goal is to play this and trade it in and out all the way up to the 14s. And if it's still looking bullish and we still have great revenue and we still have great growth and we having a lot of hype around this company, then again, man, I'll probably play it past that level, because we can still the next levels are, over here in the 20s. So as you can see, there's a lot of support and resistance in these levels. You feel me? In the 20 area, and then, in the 18 to 20s, all the way up, to the 30s. So, it can still very well play out into those levels, sometime in the future. But again, man, NNDM, bull flags popping. Bull flags popping, breaking new highs. You feel me? And as I stated, you feel me, in the last video, buying it in the 660 area, in the 670 area is a great buy, because as you see, it hit 760 so far, high of the day. So that would have been $1 profit right there. You feel me? Just overnight. You know what I mean? So again, man, just goes to show, you do enough homework on these things, man, you'll start to see the patterns play out. You'll start to see the patterns perform, and then it becomes predictable in a sense, where you could capitalize on that. You feel me? Again, man, You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement. You feel me? Never stop yourself. Never stop progressing. Never stop your knowledge. Always educate yourself, especially in finance, especially in the stock market. You feel me? Multiple sources of income is always a great fucking thing. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, NNDM, doing great things, doing big things, man. I'm loving NNDM, man. Bull flags popping, you feel me? Yeah, so that's going to be it for today. I will keep y'all updated, you feel me, when it starts reaching that $8 level, and make a video about what I'm going to do next, all right? That's going to be it for today. Please hit that like. Please subscribe. Very much appreciated. Till next time. Peace.